Hello and welcome back to Eagle Inventory. In this video, we will learn how to set reorder points and target levels, generate vendor POs based on the reorder levels, generate vendor POs from sales orders, and receive against the vendor POs to generate the bills. We will also learn how to partially receive a vendor purchase order. To set your reorder points, we will go to Products, search for the product, and Edit. Then under Additional Info, click on Update. Your reorder alert level will serve as the critical level for your inventory, and the target stock will serve as the maximum inventory that you can keep in the warehouse. In this case, we'll put the alert level to 50 and target stock to 100. You can also change the target stock if you'd like. Let's do the same for product B. Now, to create a vendor PO based on those reorder alert levels, go to Vendors, create VPO, select a vendor, and from here you can see all of the alert levels for the product. In this case we have 5 available and the alert level is 50, we have 10 available and the alert level is 120. So these products are in critical stock levels. So what you can do here is filter all the products that are below the reorder point. And from here you can check the products that you want to order and they will automatically have the suggested quantity. In this case we have a target stock of 250, we have the alert of 50, so this qualifies it for products below the reorder point because your available stock is 5. The suggested quantity to reorder is 245 because that's the target level minus your available inventory. Now select the warehouse you want to receive it into and hit process. You can then email this order to the vendor and receive it into your warehouse. The vendor PO will go to your inbound orders to receive. You can then enter the quantities of the products to receive or simply go to the menu here and then click Receive All. Then add a bill number and hit Receive. Now that the products here have been fully received, if we go back to the vendor purchase order and follow the same steps, these products no longer have a suggested quantity to reorder because they are at a healthy level in the inventory. Now we will create a vendor purchase order as a back order from a sales order. This means that if you don't have enough inventory for your products, you can still process that sales order and it will automatically create a back order. To start, we'll go to Customers, Sales Order. We'll select a customer. So this product does not have inventory, and what this does is it automatically selects this option to process as a back order. We'll then enter the quantity to order, and we're going to hit Checkout. Then place the order, receive a payment, or put this on account. So for now, let's put this on account, and we're going to hit Done. So what this does is it creates a vendor PO based on this customer order, so based on the demand. If you go to your order lookup screen and click on the order and click Related POs, you will see a vendor purchase order automatically created for this sales order. Click on the order and this will lead you directly to that purchase order. Now let's process this purchase order by clicking the 3 dots here and hit Process Order. It's going to appear on your inbound orders to receive, and from here we can receive the product. As you hit the Receive button, the system recognizes that the product is related to a customer sales order for this customer. The system will then prompt you to process it in the warehouse and reserve the product that you receive in your inventory. I'm going to hit Yes, and now we have an outbound order in the picking stage. You may then ship the product to your customer to fulfill the back order. Next, we will learn how to receive the products partially on a vendor purchase order. Assuming that you've already created your vendor purchase order, we'll go to your inbound, to receive, and we're going to find the order. Simply enter the quantity that you're receiving. So in this case, let's do 20, and let's do 200. So these are all less than the required quantity to receive. We're going to put in a bill number and hit receive. You will then see a warning saying that the quantity do not match. You can hit proceed anyway to proceed with the bill. The status should now tell you that the products have been previously received, and here are the remainder of the products that you need to receive. This generates a bill in the system on your bills and credit memos pending. From here you can see your partially received vendor PO, and you can finalize this. To complete the vendor purchase order, you can see that under inbound partially received, and say a week goes by and you're going to be receiving the rest of these. You can simply enter the quantity and enter a new vendor bill number. Hit receive, and we can go back to vendors, bills and credit memos, and find it under pending and finalize it. Now from here you can see that the vendor PO would be the same for both bills, but they would have different bill numbers. So this one is 5505 and this one is 55666. So that ends our video for these topics: reorder points and target levels, generating vendor